I told the simplest process how to use DigiLocker app, because during the result website is crash. Yes, a large number of students, the website is crash, and then use of the DigiLocker app is very beneficial. First, install the app by using YouTube Play Store. YouTube Play Store, install the app, DigiLocker app. Second thing, sign it with Aadhaar link mobile number. Sign in with Aadhaar link mobile number. Third thing, there is also required the 6-digit code number provided by the school. If there are only 5 digits, then place 0 as the first digit. Place 0 before the first digit. Now, log in with the education section. From education section, go to the CBSC, Central Board of Secondary Education, and from this, go click on Class XII Marksheet. Click on Class XII Marksheet. Put your roll number and the year 2026 and click on Documents. Then your marksheet save in the issue section. Your marksheet save in the issue section and take the hard copy of your marksheet. So don't worry, if still the website are crash, you can get your digital marksheet, which is also valid for the next college admission. Yes, it is valid. So share for the maximum student. If you like, subscribe, share. Thanks.